In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot a missing settings button in Meta Business Suite. If you've opened Meta Business Suite and noticed that the settings button is nowhere to be found, don't worry, you're not alone. This can happen because of layout changes, account issues, or even bugs on Meta's side. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple, reliable way to get help directly from Meta so they can fix the issue on your specific account. First, open Meta Business Suite in your browser. Make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook profile that has access to the business you're working on. It's usually best to do this on a desktop browser like Chrome or Edge, because some options can be harder to find or may not appear at all on mobile. Once Meta Business Suite has loaded and you're on the main home dashboard, look for the Help option. This is typically located in the left-hand menu or along the bottom left area of the screen, depending on the current interface. Take a moment to scroll if you don't see it immediately. When you find Help, click on it. A Help panel or window will open. Here, you may see different resources such as help articles or suggested topics. In this panel, you want to look again for an option labeled Help, or something similar that expands the support tools further. Click on that to reveal more support options. Next, you'll see an option called Contact Support. This is the key step, because if the settings button is missing for your account, only Meta's support team can properly investigate and, if needed, escalate the issue. Go ahead and click on Contact Support. You'll now see a field where you can describe the problem you're experiencing. Click into this field and type a clear, simple explanation. For example, the settings button is missing in Meta Business Suite. If you can, briefly mention when you noticed it and whether it affects a specific business account or all your accounts. Keeping your description short but specific helps support quickly understand what's going on. After you've entered your issue, look for the button labeled Next Step. Click on Next Step to move forward in the support process. From here, Meta may show you suggested help articles or ask you for a few more details and then offer ways to contact support, such as chat or email, depending on what's available in your region. Follow the prompts they give you and stay inside Meta Business Suite while they investigate. That's all you need to do to properly troubleshoot a missing settings button and get Meta's support team working on your case.